Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a question that's probably crossed your mind. Can ChatGPT help with your homework? Whether you're stuck on a math problem, struggling to write an essay, or need some inspiration for a creative project, well, this video is for you. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you ace your assignments. Let's jump right in. First up, let's explore how ChatGPT can assist with specific subjects like math, science, or history. Whether you're struggling with equations or need help understanding a historical event, well, ChatGPT right here is a great tool for step by step explanations. So let's walk through an example. Let's say you're working on a math assignment and you're stuck on an algebra equation. So instead of panicking, no need to worry. You can ask ChatGPT right over here in the input box for help. Let me type in or craft together a problem through a prompt and we'll see how it handle it. Here it is. I said, ChatGPT, can you help me solve this algebra equation? 2x plus 3 equals 11. All right, so let's have ChatGPT solve the equation and see how it breaks down the solution step by step based off from this right over here. This is where it really shines by making it complex problems more understandable. It all depends on the results. We'll see. All right, so here's how the process has been going. All right, yep, just simple as that. See, ChatGPT not only gives you the final answer right over here, but it also explains how to solve the equation, making it much easier to follow along. This is super helpful when you're trying to learn the process rather than just get the answer. You can use this approach for other subjects too, like science or history. See? Pretty helpful, I must say. Now, let's talk about writing. Whether you're working on an essay, a report, or even a book review, well, ChatGPT can do more than just write for you. It can help you refine and improve your own skills. I'll show you how. Now, let's say you're starting an essay on climate change, but you're unsure how to structure it. So instead of staring at a blank page, you can ask ChatGPT right here for help with outlining the key points. Let's gather with what we thought of through the prompt, craft it, then paste it down here. So we'll see later on, once we send this, how ChatGPT would suggest for us. So here it is. ChatGPT, can you help me outline an essay on climate change? Pretty simple. Now, once we hit enter, then ChatGPT will, of course, generate an outline with clear sections, typically what you see in like the introduction, the body, and conclusion. Well, this is a great way to kickstart your writing process and organize your thoughts. Here we go. All right, so ChatGPT has given us a title, The Impact of Climate Change. There's the introduction, obviously. And then there are the following main points. First is causes of climate change. Another one right here, effects of climate change. There are also subtopics and bullet points under that subtopic right there. Yep. There's also the conclusion, just as I stated. And yep, perfect. So let's go through this with what ChatGPT had generated. So as you can see, right from the start, I'll show you here, ChatGPT has provided a well-structured outline that breaks the essay down into manageable parts. Now you can take this framework and start filling in your ideas. And if you're looking for more guidance, like grammar checks or even style improvements, you can continue asking ChatGPT for help along the way. This way, you're not just getting the work done, but also improving your writing skills with real-time feedback. If you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now let's talk about creative projects. Whether it's coming up with ideas for a science experiment, an art piece, or even a coding project, ChatGPT can really help get those creative juices flowing. It's like having a brainstorming buddy who never runs out of ideas. Let's imagine you need to come up with a fun science experiment for school, but you're feeling stuck. So instead of searching endlessly for ideas, you can ask ChatGPT directly for suggestions. Let's give it a try and see what it comes up with through this prompt right over here. See? Simple as that. Can you suggest a fun science experiment I can do at home? Now, once we're going to send this, it will generate some creative and doable science experiments that you can try at home. Yep, just as I asked. So let's see what kind of ideas it has in store for us. All right, so just as it processes, this is how ChatGPT had recommended us with this particular experiment. Alrighty, so okay, this might freeze a bit. So I'm guessing this must be the end of the results right here. So let's take a look. So it says here, magic milk experiment. Sorry about that. There are the materials right here. You have like cotton swabs at home or toothpicks, dish soaps, food coloring, any different colors, whole milk or 2% milk, a shallow dish like a pie plate. There we go. There are the following steps like pour milk, add food coloring, dip in dish soap, observe the reaction. So, what is the science experiment right here? It is explained down here. And yeah, so once again, pretty helpful from ChatGPT since it came up with this particular science experiment right over here. And it also explains how they work. So, yeah. So, whether you're trying to impress your teacher or just explore something new at home, well, this idea or any additional ideas you might ask to ChatGPT would be a great starting point. And remember, you can use ChatGPT for other creative tasks too, like brainstorming design ideas or coding projects. It's all about unlocking your creativity. Now, to wrap up, ChatGPT can be a powerful homework assistant. Whether you need help with specific projects, improving your writing, or even tackling creative projects, yep, ChatGPT right there to help you. So, if you haven't already, give it a try for your next assignment and see how much smoother your homework can be.